Shopify operates in 175 different countries and 21 different languages. That's why we need you to build the next app.
And last year alone, we paid out $411 million in revenue to our partners. We have a pretty active community. You'll see these kind of meetups hopefully all over the world.
What can you build on Shopify? Remember, it's three things: apps, themes, custom storefronts.
It's cool to get the vibe, the audience was really interested, asking a lot of good questions.
There's such an opportunity right now for these start to bring new CSS and new JavaScript and really perform in themes.
Shopify didn't ask me to say this, is they have Shopify ads. We've used them. It's actually very cost effective compared to other ad platforms.
Everyone wants to give you their 2 cents for how the app should look, how it should feel, features. So we basically had almost a study or research group of early users. Just start doing work. Try and find people to do work for. If your work speaks for itself, people will talk about you, you will get more business that way.
It just feels so great to be able to actually now come into the community and meet so many of our merchants and developers that for the past few years we've only been able to interact with online, seeing them come together, running some technical workshops, hosting a panel, and just bringing merchants and developers together and seeing them making these new friendships and new connections.
It really feels good networking with a lot of different people here.
Good to see people smiling and sharing their stories.
I really thought the panel was very interesting.
Because you can obviously ask people who have actually done the whole Shopify application development.
This is the part of networking that's the most fun. Just having a simple problem and seeing how someone else is really making a solution.
I'm way too social, so I need this kind of conferences.